What's up, everybody? Good morning. We are looking at Casper Crypto this morning. Casper/Tether CSPR USDT. Guys, welcome to the channel. It is the 28th of November, a little after 5 a.m. Looks like Casper is currently down 4.4%, running into some resistance at one of our levels. It also lines up with some fib levels as well. We'll show you that on the chart. Bitcoin down in the red. Stock market futures down in the red as well. Seeing a little bit of red here, the end of November, this Monday morning. I'll tell you one thing. This candle right here on the 26th of November was pretty unbelievable to see. I was not watching this real time. This was a huge candle, and we found resistance. It couldn't close in the upper half of the range. It couldn't close above our 36, 33, or even our 31. It found resistance at all three levels. So we have 36, 33, and 31. Those lines on the chart are overhead resistance levels. Tried to get a nice comeback yesterday, up 2.9, closed above 31, and then today we put in looks like a higher high, but we are currently at resistance once again at 31, pulling back. So next level of support I have for Casper is down here at 0.284. That is a potential pullback zone, 0.284 for Casper to find support. So we could be heading down another 5 or 6% or so, potentially. And that could be where support shows up, which would be at the top of this trading range here. So going back to that candle on the 26th, if anybody knows what happened on that day, feel free to share in the comments. It's interesting. I don't quite know what happened, but it didn't close very well. So not too exciting there, but when it was happening, it was quite exciting. If I go to the 3-minute chart, it was quick, whatever happened. So perhaps it was a bot or a glitch. I really don't know. It wasn't a smooth and steady trend higher. It was a quick, here it is right here on the chart. It was a quick pop to the upside, right up above our 36, our 33 level, and then quickly ended. So this is a 3-minute chart. So this every candle on here represents 3 minutes. And so 3, 6, 9, it was basically over in 9 minutes right here. Anyways, if you know what happened there, feel free to let everybody know down in the video comments. Appreciate it. So let's go back to the chart. And like I said, currently finding resistance at 31. And if we also take some rough fibs here, take the swing high to the swing low, right about there, you can see the 0.236 Fibonacci level just about lines up with our level at 0.031. So our level is 0.0310, and the Fibonacci level is roughly at 0.0314. Both correlate right around this area where price is finding support, resistance right there. And then that is as today as well, finding resistance there. Yesterday I tried to break above it, couldn't, and then couldn't on the 26th. The 26th, top of the candle, looks like it came in at resistance at the 0.5 fib, 38 cents. Right up in here, you can see that. That's the midway point between the high and the low of the move when you use the fibs. But it's interesting how the Fibonacci's line up with our line there at 31,310, and the fib level is at 314. Very close. Anyways, that is current resistance for Casper. So like I said, it is possible, it's likely that we see a pullback to 284, especially if Bitcoin starts to trend lower. 0.284, about another 5 or 6% to the downside. So that's pretty much what I have here on the chart. If you want to replicate this, go ahead. This is on tradingview.com. If you go over to the left-hand side, there is let me get the pointer, right, basically right here, those lines, looks like 4 lines. If you hit those lines or the little arrow next to it, you can see the fib retracements. And I just clicked the high of the move, click the low of the move, and it will put them on the chart for you. Now, if you're on a mobile device, it's probably a little bit more difficult, but I would imagine, depending on the size of your screen, it would probably work. Swing high to swing low, and you can see the fibs are on the chart. And if we scroll up here, let's see if any of these fibs line up with some of our upper targets. We have some pretty high upper targets up here for Casper. We have 2 that are close. We have a Fibonacci, a 361 Fibonacci level. That's up here at 37 cents. And one of our levels is at 35.18. So that's pretty interesting and pretty close. I don't think I have anything too much higher than that. We have looks like a number 5 fib, and that is at $1.04. And our level is up there at 97.09. So if you can imagine $1 Casper, one of our levels is up there, and then we also have a fib level up there, a $1 Casper. I don't think I have anything higher than that. Fibonacci's keep on going, but I don't have any levels up there. Well, let me know your thoughts on that candle on the 26th. What happened there? It looks like it took place within about 9 or 10 minutes. Pretty interesting. It was a huge move to the upside. It was roughly from the bottom to the top, a 30% move within, like I said, about 9 or 10 minutes. Something happened there. If anybody knows, let me know. And came in at resistance at the halfway point of the move. Current resistance, 31,310.0310. Next level of support, next level of potential buying for stepping in here. Support for Casper is down there at 0.284. Doesn't mean it'll get there, but the likelihood is higher than not. So that could be, not financial advice, a potential area to pick up some more shares if that's something you were looking for. We had support show up for Casper at that same 0.284 level, all in here before we made that big move to the upside. It's going to wrap it up, guys. Appreciate everybody taking time to watch the channel, subscribe, and hit that thumbs up. Like I said, let me know your comments on that 26th move, that big 30% move. Unfortunately, I couldn't hold, but that goes to show you some of the crazy power that happens here in the crypto markets. Have a great day. I'll catch you in the next video.